say hi to the YouTube.
What's up, yos? My boy's awesome.
You having a good morning, Joe?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the Cummanshee off the trailer. We got to jack it up, put the tires on, and then Tracer asked me if I could do some farming. Perfect thing. We got a 12 valve Cummins. We might as well do some farming.
You know, real work's getting done with Hey Dudes.
Are those Hey Dudes? They're Hey Dude work boots?
Yeah, Hey Dude.
Oh, dude, they are. Okay, we got a hitch.
Boot scrub, dust, trail spurs that jingle. Pistol on my hip, hard cold on me. Cattle calling that dawn, wolves in the night. Lasso in my grip, still ready to fight.
I left that stupid plow so I could do some donuts.
Had to put Janky to work. How's he gonna stop? Put it in park.
Hey, so you're gonna go back.
Dude, he's worrying me. I hid behind you there. That's probably the most stressful thing I've ever had with this. Cummanshee's stressful like riding it, but letting Janky tear it up, he treats it like it's his LTR. I'm so happy it slammed into reverse though, because I was worried he couldn't stop. He was only using the front brakes that whole time. Probably like 36 degrees out here right now. Take the Cummanshee for a Sunday cruise down here. Cool part about this place is this is completely legal. What do you think? Me up front, right? Okay.
Up this way as well. And maybe turn around that back around to that intersection. Because I think this in the background with Jenna shooting you.
Yeah. What a place to drive in a Cummins, man. I didn't think it made it over the bridge. That chatter.
I do all the photos. I'm like,
Well, in this thing, I'm like, the motor is like hitting stuff. It's bouncing so much.
It's crazy. It like disappears.
Here, I'm gonna just put up here real quick. Still recording. Oh. Our trip down here. Gotta thank Jenna and Tracer for letting us come out and do this again. It's been a great time. Had some fun with the Cummanshee, did some ripping and scrappy. Didn't do like any crazy fast. We were just trail riding, you know, having a good time. So I'm gonna help him clean up a couple more of these sagebrushes, throw them on the fire, and we outie.